Is that what is that warm yet? Let's do rain first. That's not quite there. Oh, it's the Wild West up there. That's the Wild West. Like the Will Smith movie? Rage, thank you. Baja, thank you. Ooh, my arm hurts so much it hurts to play guitar. I'm fine. It's like a sample. Every time I'm left alone, my misery begins to drown me. Tied by a rope, the road overboard. As I pull under the tide of this fast-paced world. Sorry, burped. Refuse to say. Time will always be. Thank you, Baha. The thing that kills me truly. Open these eyes, waking from my dream fading. My lungs filled with let down. Disappoint me itself and everyone. Retain to failure. Abandonment, my own savior. As I pulled under the tide of this fast-paced world, I refuse to say. Peril, thank you so much for those 5. Unnecessary, but appreciated. Time will always be the thing that kills me truly. Open his eyes, waking from my dream fading. Break This Is Rain by Trivium, man. Come on. Oh, shit, everybody. Absolution in the sight of your demise. I know what I must do. Dog. What? Like choking on your embrace. Is that rent or all in? Swallow every blasphemy. Oh, for rent? Absolution in the sight of your demise. I know what I must do. Swallow every blasphemy. I mean, America's that inflated right now too, for rental and mortgage. Out to road and naked blade. Too many 8 strings, 615. Tie the noose around my neck. Make this life end. $1,200 a month, that's like unheard of. That make this way.